Moderna and Pfizer have both developed new Omicron-specific booster shots for fighting COVID-19. Both vaccines got an emergency use authorization from the FDA this week and now await approval from the CDC. News 12 Connecticut's Sean McCabe with more on when the new boosters might be available.
Any vaccine's effectiveness wanes over time. That's why we get flu shots every year. That's why we get boosters of almost every other vaccine we have.
The FDA giving emergency use authorizations to Moderna's new booster shot for adults 18 and up, and Pfizer's new booster for people aged 12 and up. Doctors with Yale Medicine say shots could be headed for arms as soon as next week.
Biden administration pre-ordered, I think, something on the order of 170 million doses of these boosters. State public health agencies have already been requesting them.
Emergency medicine specialist Dr. Arjun Venkatesh says not everything in the new boosters is actually new.
Half the shot is half the dose of the original booster, and that'll be protective against not only original strains of COVID-19, but potentially future strains this fall that may look a lot like the older ones.
The other half is a reformulated vaccine specific to the BA4 and BA5 Omicron variants.
These variants are really sticky, and we haven't seen another variant emerge on top of that. And so getting this vaccine early makes sense.
The new formulation approved after clinical trials were performed on mice. Doctors say that's because it's not too different from what's already on the market.
We do that all the time with the flu shot. We do that with other vaccines, and that's okay because it's similar as a vaccine to the other vaccine that's already out there.
The FDA says besides the age requirement, you need at least 2 months since your last shot of COVID-19 vaccine. Dr. Venkatesh says regular boosters are likely with us for the foreseeable future.
As you get a flu shot every year, it works really well. That has prevented major pandemics in the past. And so I think getting into a headspace where we're going to look at something similar to that is pretty reasonable.
Sean McCabe, News 12, Connecticut.
Sean, thank you. The FDA removing approval of the original Moderna and Pfizer COVID boosters for patients over 18 and over 12 years old, respectively.